Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust images height and width using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select Image and select first and click on this image and press Ctrl key for your keyboard and hold it and click and select second images. Now click right button and here you will find this size option. First I will adjust this image height and say this image height now change to images and also I will adjust width and see this and another also you can adjust image height and width. First I will show this image properties and general option. I'll make it width 5 and height 3. Select close and select this one and select properties option, general option 5 and 3 and close and see this two images now height and width now same. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.